boy. What's going on, doggies, and welcome back to another video. Hunting snakehead part 2 is happening right now. So last time I come out here, I had so much fun chasing those snakehead, but we never got that big horse. Oh, that's a fish on. Look at that, guys, snakehead. Yeah, we got another one. And he absolutely belted that frog that time. Look at that, epic. So I've come back today and I want to get the big one. I want to get the big donkey snakehead. So I'm back, we're back. So I got here before sunrise and I was trying to figure out where to fish, but we've had a lot of rain lately, and the way which I came in before, which is from those mountains over there, you can't access it anymore. We've had a fair bit of rain and the rivers, all those rivers are running now. So I put the drone in the air and thankfully I found my way down. So now I'm on the coast. I'm gonna walk along the beach and then I'm gonna tuck inland. So I'll roll on them drone clips now. It was a sick morning, beautiful sunrise. And hopefully we can get ourselves a big dirty snakehead today. Shwah! Found this nice little ridge and you can actually see a fair few pools of water. There's a couple over there. Here we've got a nice one here. So this water's really brown and muddy. I don't even know if they'll be in there, but I'm definitely going to have a flick. This will be the first cast of the day. Alright, here we go. There are some crazy birds making some crazy sounds in there. Look at this. Where are we going to go? That little bank over there first. Oh, good cast, good cast. Come on. Look at that. Everything that looks like a pool on Google Earth is now a running river. I was using Google Earth to try to find the little pools to fish, but this is a pool. Now it is a running river, complete with mud and everything. Not too sure if these fish enjoy this running water. Last time we came here, I had better success in still water, so maybe I'm gonna go try find, I'm just gonna have to go full bush. We're just gonna have to go for a full-on mission that way, through the bush, to try to find still water, I think, because I'm having no luck in this running water. Anyway, it's going to be the hell of an adventure. And I've got no mozzie spray. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this pool. Look at that structure there, all that wood. This is killer. Come on, big boy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's 2 snakehead there. They're only little babies. And there's another one sitting just there. So there's definitely, and look, 2 over there. So there's definitely fish here, but they're really small. They're tiny. So I've come into some real good looking country now. Look at this area that I'm in. This is a lot better than what I was in before. Even these little streams here have fish in them. Little baby snakehead everywhere. They're just little ones. We need to find a big pond, or a pond, because this is like really thick vegetation around here. So hopefully this takes us to a little bit of an opening where there's no running water. But I got high hopes because this is looking pretty good. I'm gonna try to cross this. Oh wow, that's really sloppy. Alright, I'm going back. That's not good. No. Oh, pretty much swimming in here. Whoosh. Yes. Oh, that stinks, dude. Alright, I just want to cast over there. Maybe I'll just have a cast from here. There's no way I'm going to get a fish in, but how am I going to do that? Watch this. Because I can't go there, it's going to get belted. Oh! Did you see that? There's a fish in there and he just hit the frog. Yo, that was gnarly. I don't think I'd be able to land that fish anyway, but that was sick. So that pond over the back there, as I was bringing it in, I'm not sure if you guys could see, maybe you can, but the fish come up and just went boom, had a crack. Didn't set the hook, but I don't know if I can actually get it over that there and then bring it across all the way to here, because that's really sloppy and deep there. And that pool is, yeah, if that was a big fish, I've got no chance of bringing him back. We are going full stealth styles. Oh, those tiny little tracks made by cows. Not too sure which way to go. The mosquitoes are very, very friendly in here. I just wiped a bit of mud on my legs to try to stop them from eating me alive. Where are we going right now? This is sick. Doing a little bit of a water crossing here. Hopefully I don't get bitten by anything. Hopefully it doesn't get any deeper. Oh, that's deep. It's really dense around here. Like, this is psycho. I can't walk through any of this. And my bag's just gonna get soaked. Ah, this is definitely an adventure. Definitely. Boy. Dude, I hope this takes us to some good ground. Alright, so we're putting the noodle rod away. No more noodle rod, no more flicking frogs. What I'm noticing is that there's heaps of little tilapia, like they're sitting in the shallows here. There's heaps of them. They're not big enough for a feed though, but they're sitting in these shallow water. Like, this is only just covering my ankles, this water. And those little tilapia, they sit in the shallows, they just chew it. And they're actually quite easy to see. So what I'm gonna do, I've got this. I've just found this bit of wood. We're gonna make a spear and I'm gonna go hunting slowly but surely through this shallow grass, which goes for so far up this creek. So we're gonna turn this bit of wood into a spear. We're gonna go walk around through that shallow grass there, and we are gonna get ourselves either a tilapia or a snakehead. They're in there, I've seen them, so we just gotta go. We gotta push it. Oh yeah. I actually made a spear like this in Australia a long time ago, and we got a massive flathead, like a good sized flatty. That was such a fun day. Look at that, perfect. So now I need to go find some rope or some cordage or something so we can bind this together. And then we'll just sharpen each one of these tips. And hopefully it's just enough. Even if it doesn't spear the fish, it doesn't matter. What we want to do is just, even if we can wedge it in there or just like knock it quick enough for me to run and go grab it. It's actually going to be really fun. Who wants to fish when you can throw spears at fish? That's way better. All right, I'll go find some rope. So what I'm doing, I'm just binding these two bits of stick together. I'll show you why. So by binding these two little sticks into the wood, it keeps the wood open. So now I have 4 open prongs, and those little bits of wood are doing their job. So now all I gotta do is bind them in, and then we'll sharpen the ends up, and we'll use this bigger rope that I found to tie it down here so it doesn't continue splitting. So there you go, maybe we'll be able to make some lunch. So we'll just put our final touches on her, and we are gonna be out there. This is gonna be so fun. I will be diving on fish if I have to. I will do whatever it takes. But we're here and we're doing it. See, like there. See the fish jump? Oh, that was one. All right, I've got to slap this GoPro on my head so I've got some free hands, and hopefully we can get ourselves something. This is going to be fun. Oh, see, look there. Can you see that fish? It is literally just sitting in the grass right there. Just its back of it. Oh no. It's gone. Come on. You can see the grass moving from all the little snakehead. There's little baby snakehead like this big everywhere. Yes, right there. See it move? Its fin's just there, ready? Shh. Ooh. Oh no, I missed him. Shh. Ah, he's gone. This is where the fish are. There's heaps of them. It's not even moving. Here we go. Oh, you fool! No! Damn! I think I need a straighter spear. There's a little baby snakehead just sitting here. Have a look at this. I found treasure. As if you find things like this. Look at that. Fishing float. That's epic. Thank you. Here's a bit of bush tucker. Check this out. You can eat these suckers. That's a freshwater snail. They're actually edible. I know that the Indonesian people here eat these a lot. You see these empty shells in big piles. Wonder what it tastes like. Should we eat it? Very interesting. We'll let him go for now, but I'm definitely going to eat one of them. Yes. That's a tilapia right there, look. Ready? Oi! Oh no! My spear's fully stuck in the mud. Oh. So I've been walking for about 10 minutes now and I haven't even seen a splash or a flicker or anything. But that last one was just sitting in the shade of that tree and I missed it as well. I don't even think this spear would go through a fish, but it might knock it out or stun it just quick enough so I can go grab him. There's another one of those freshwater snails. They're pretty big and it's really heavy, like that is full of meat. I reckon one day that's going to be us, eating snails. Definitely, I'm doing it. put him back. So that's 2 now. That's not bad going at all. Ooh. No. No. Is that the end of the spear? Mate, I swear to God, I just hit that little fish then. It wasn't big, it was about, I don't know, about like this big. But it was just sitting in the grass there, and I swear to God that spear hit him, but it's not gonna go through its bloody flesh. It's a wooden spear. I was hoping maybe like it would knock a fish out or just stun a fish for a couple of seconds so I could run up and grab him. We could make a little fire on the bank up there and have a feed, but not today. Anyway, oh well, we had to retire the spear. I think it got thrown about 20 times and that was it. It was kaput. So it's obviously it's the wrong wood, and it was just a quick like 10-minute job. Throw it together, see if we can maybe get a fish. The odds were against me in every single way, but hey, you just never know, and it's good fun. Just cruising around throwing a spear at fish. So now I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna head to the ocean. I'll try to find the ocean wherever that is, and then we'll maybe go for a swim because it is bloody hot. So much for wanting to go for a swim. Look at the color of this water. It's like a chalk milk, man. That is the ocean right now. Look at that. Maybe I'll push up the coast a little bit, see if we can find some clean water, and I don't know. Who knows? I don't really have any plans now, so we're just gonna cruise up the coast and see what we see what we find. What is this thing? Oh my God. What happened to this? What's down here? Maybe there's squid. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a division between the blue water and the chalk milk. And it kind of ends like at the end of that rock wall. So maybe if we can get to over there, maybe bang out a few lures on the noodle. Who knows? Well, we made it to the rock wall, and it is gross out here. That chocolate water goes so far, it goes all the way out and around. Sort of sucks in here, but it just follows the coast like the whole way down. What am I supposed to do? Oosh, oosh. So, what do we do now? Ah! Keep exploring, I guess. We're back. I've got a frog on. So what I'm gonna do, there's a couple of these little lakes up here that I haven't fished yet. So I haven't tried these lakes yet. There's one here, there's one up there. So fingers crossed, these lakes provide us with a big, greasy, horse head looking snakehead. Fingers crossed. Come on, big snakehead. Come on, big dog. Come on, big dog. Come on, big dog. All right. Come on. We tried again. We tried and tried for snakehead. Nothing. So I am calling it. That's a day. I'm so sorry that I didn't catch anything again. That's fishing. Some days you win, some days you lose. Anyway guys, much love. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video with a ton load of fish. Much love, doggies. Wow!